Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to record screen on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just swipe down from the top of your smartphone to open the control center. Now from here, just tap on the screen record button on your control center. For an example, if you cannot find this icon on your control center, just open your control center. Now from here, just tap on the edit button at the top right of your control center. Now from here, just drag the screen record button to the control center, just like that. Now once you have done that, just go back. Now from here, just tap on the screen record button. Now as you can see, it started screen recording. Now if you tap on this icon and if you tap on the microphone icon over here, it will start recording from the microphone of your smartphone. Now from here, if you tap on it one more time, it will stop recording from the microphone on your smartphone. Now from here, if you tap on the pencil icon, you can draw on the screen, just like that. Now from here, if you tap on this pencil icon one more time, it will disable what you have drawn. Now from here, if you tap on this red icon, it will stop screen recording. Now from here, if you go to the Photos app on your smartphone, and if you open all photos, you can see the screen recording we have done, just like that. And this is how you can record screen on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.